Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How was your day?
It was good and yours?
That was good. Okay, so now let's get started. So today we're gonna do area perimeter, okay? And then we see if we have enough time, and then we can do volume, okay? Of different type of shapes.
Okay.
Oh, where's my pens now? I have them. Oh yeah, I got this.
Today in class we started with algebraic expressions and I understood them so well.
Say that again.
Today in class we started with algebraic expressions and I understood them so well
Why you think you understood them so well?
because you taught me it.
Okay. Well, they hard.
No, it wasn't hard.
Okay, so you see, right? Learning advanced is very important because now whatever they're going to be doing is going to be, oh, I know this. Oh, I know this. And a special plus and minus. See that? So us learning advanced is very, very important. Okay.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes. I say us learning advanced in advance is very, very important because then you get to understand the concept very, very easy. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and if they show you something you don't understand, you come or you WhatsApp me, okay? You WhatsApp
Okay.
me, and then I'm gonna explain to you in details, okay? Just in case maybe you don't understand the question, okay?
Okay.
Okay, cool, no problem. So let's do area, volume, and perimeter. Okay, now let's start with the area. So we're gonna check area of different shapes, area and perimeter. So let's start with the square. Can you see? Oh, should I move closer, right?
I can
More
see you.
closer. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I'm afraid I think maybe you don't see clear. Are you sure you can hear? You can see clear?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, cool. No problem. If you don't see, you let me know. So let's start first with the square. Square. What is square? Square means all the sides have got the same length. Meaning this length is equal. This length is equal to this length is equal. So we can say this is side. All the sides are equal. Okay. So we say area for a square is side times another side because if this side, this must be same side, must be same side, must be same side because it's square. Do you understand what I'm saying? Meaning, Tanika, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. If this side, let's say, is 10 centimeter, let's say, and then this also is going to be 10 centimeter. In this side, S represents side, okay? It's 10 centimeter, or I can simply say 10 centimeter, and this also is 10 centimeter, and this is going to be 10 centimeter, means all the sides are equal, and this is 10 centimeter. So if you want to find the area of a square, you say area equal to side times side. Do you understand what I'm saying? Area equal to side times side. Or in other way, you can say area. Remember I told you if you have a 10 square, what does that mean? This is like 10 times 10. If somebody say 5 square, what does that mean? It means 5 times 5. If somebody say y times y in another way, this time we say y what? Square. If you are given y times y times y, mean this is y cubed. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So if I say side times side, what does that mean? This going to be side power.
Our If you say side times side,
Yeah. So side times side, I'm going to say side power which number?
are we going to for side times side? Do we use all the sides or only two sides?
Okay. Let me say it again. Let me say it again what I say here. No problem. It's okay. If you have an x times x, this time we say x times x, it's time we say x. How many x are these?
Two.
2. So I'm going to say it's power 2. It's the same thing, but are different ways of writing. Do you
I
understand?
understand. Yes, I understand.
If I'm given k times k times k times k, as long as there's a multiplication between, I don't have to write all of them again. I can just say this and say K. How many of them? There are 4. So I can say power 4.
Oh, okay.
Only if there's a multiplication between. Do you understand?
Yes.
If I have a side times side, how would I say this?
A is to the power of 2.
So I can say this 8 power 2. Okay? So that's what I'm saying here. If I don't want to write side times side, I can say side power 2. Okay?
Yes.
So it's the same thing. If you want to find the area, you can say area equal to side times side. Or if I don't want to say that, I can say area equal to side 1 square. Do you understand or not?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so this is a formula of area of a square. Formula of area of a square. Let's take example, for instance. Should I raise?
Yes, you can erase.
Okay, let's take example. Let's say they say the square, they say here the square has side of 9 centimeters. Find the area. Find the area of a square. Well, then I'm gonna say perfect. So if this, they say if the square, so this time I say if I can draw, I can say this time is something like this. So since you say if the square means all the sides are equal, and what is the has a side of 9 centimeters? Means this is gonna be what? Same thing because the square. Square means all the sides are the same. Then this will be 9 centimeter, even here 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Why? Because this is a square. Square has all the sides equal. So since they say find the area of a square, I'm going to say area of a square equal to side times side. Or I can simply say area equal to what? To side square. Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
And then now this is how you do. After you write your formula, you come here, you say, what did they give to me? What did they give to me? The square had the
It's
side.
blurry.
Oh, it's coming back, sorry. This square had the side of 9 centimeters. Oh, so we have a side. So here in the S, I know the value of S. What the value of S? 9 centimeters.
9.
Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
So the square had the side of 9 centimeters. So you go, do I know my area? No, I don't know. Do I know my equal? It's just an equal sign. Do I know my side? Oh yes, I know my side. So since area I don't know, I'll write the way how it is. Equal. Do I know my side? Oh yes, I do know my side is 9 centimeter. I'm gonna say 9 what? Centimeter. But I'm gonna put bracket. Okay, and then I'll say what? Square. Are you with me?
Yes.
Because our side equal to 9 centimeter, but I'm gonna write out my bracket, then square, and then I'll say my area equal to, now look, 9 square. What is 9 square? 9 square is 9 times 9,
times 9.
which equal to 81.
Yes.
And centimeter square means centimeter times centimeter, which is still what? Centimeter square. And that's the area of a square. Okay? Let's take another example. Should I raise here?
Yes, you can erase.
Okay, perfect. If the area of a square has a 9 meter, let's say this meter, 9 what? Meter. No. If the side, because this is not area, if the side, you know, side is like this length, right? If the side of a square is 9 meter, find the area. I'm gonna write my formula. My formula saying what? Area of a square equal to what? To side square. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Equal to side square. Now I come here. What do I have? Do I have area?
No.
No, I don't have. So since I have, I write the way how it is. And then I write my equal sign. Now I come here. Do I know my side? Yes. My side equal to 10 meter.
10.
Then I'm gonna write 10 what? Because I'm gonna replace this side with 10 meter. I'm going to say 10 meter, but a bracket, and then write my square. And then I'm going to say my area equal 10 square, because this square is for both. This bracket means for both. 10 square. What is 10 square? Means 10 times 10. Because 10 what? Square. This square for this. 10 square means 10 times 10. What is 10 times 10? 100.
100.
Meter also you must have a square. So you're going to say meter square. So this is the area of a square. Should I erase?
Yes, you can erase.
Okay, cool. Are you there, Tamika?
Yes, I'm here.
Now they say, if Tamika has a swimming pool, or Tamika has a home garden. She has what? Her home garden. Has a home garden which has square shape, or with a square shape which has a what? Which has what? Square shape. Square shape of each side square shape, which has each side square shape of each side. Oh, square shape of each side of 12 centimeter. Find the area.
Can I can I check outside because there's someone hooting by our gate?
It's okay, no problem. You can go and do what you have to do, and then you back, you let me know.
Okay.
Waiting for Tamika now to come back. She'll be back soon. Let me drink some water just a minute while we're waiting for Tamika. Okay, so we wait for Tamika to come back in so we can continue. It's kind of getting dark, so I'm gonna have to turn on the light. It's getting dark, but the light when it turns sometime when it turns on, it somehow become blurry. But let me wait for Tamika and then she's going to decide to tell me her preference. Tamika, you back?
Yes, I'm there.
Let me ask you something, right? I'm gonna finish this question, then I'm gonna ask the question, right? Okay. So we say Tamika has a home garden which has a square shape of each side of 12 centimeter. Find the area of a garden. Find the area of her garden. Now we go Tamika. So they say here, which type of this garden? Square shape. So your garden could be like this. Let's say it's a square shape. Means all the sides are equal. But now we go, what do we have? Do you have an area? We have a side. Tamika has a home garden in which has a square shell of each side of 12 centimeters. Means 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, every way is 12 centimeter because this is, so I can just write to one side. I don't have to write either way. But we know all the sides are equal. So then we're gonna write our formula. We're gonna say area of a square. How the formula say? Equal to?
Excuse me?
What is the area of a square formula?
Side times side.
Which is side square. So you can simply say area equal to?
Side square.
Yeah, this is simple ways of writing. Area equals side square. Now you come here. Do you have an area or you have a side?
We have the side.
So since I don't have an area, you write, when you don't have something, write the way how it is. Area I don't have, I write the way how it is. Equal sign, equal sign. Do I have a side? Oh yes, I
Yes.
do have my side equal to 12 centimeters. So I'm gonna write my bracket here in the side. You see on the side? I'm gonna write my bracket and then side equal to 12 what? Centimeter, but I have my square on top. I'm gonna write my square. Are you with me? Tamika?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, if you don't understand, let me know. So area, I write the way how it is, and I come here say 12 square. What is 12 square? 12 square means 12 times
12
12.
times 12.
12 times 12 equal to 1, 4,
140.
4. Now you go and then what? Centimeter square. Centimeter with the square is going to be centimeter what? Square. Do you understand, Tamika?
Yes, I understand.
I think you're very far from your microphone now. I barely hear you. I barely hear you.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Let me ask you something, because it's getting darker. You can see I'm getting darker and darker, right? Can you see clear? Oh, it's dark.
It's dark.
Okay. Let me do this, and then let me know if it's too close. Okay. Before and this, which is better?
This one's fine.
This one's fine, but it kind of no problem. It's okay. Let's go ahead. So area of a square equal to 144 what? Centimeter square. So I'm gonna give you one example that we do together. Okay?
Okay.
Sure. So how the formula say? Area equal to side square. Okay, area of a square. Area equal to a square. A represents side. Okay. Now let's assume we have a square. Okay, this is 7 meters. Find the area. Let's do it together. Find the area.
The area would be side square.
Area equal to side square, and then
And go to the next step, which would be write down the area. Since we
why we
don't
write down
have,
the area?
because we don't have area and we have
Yes, if you don't have something, write down how it is. Area we don't have, so write the area equal.
and then side square, meaning it would be 7 times 7.
Yes, we write our brackets, okay? Okay, we write our bracket, and then we write what? Side is 7 what? Meter. And then?
And then we're going to put the square outside of the bracket.
Okay, so area equal to?
49.
Okay, 7 square equal to 49. And then meter square equal to meter
The square.
square. Is that hard? Jamaica.
Yes, I'm here.
Is it hard?
No, it's not hard.
Okay, so I think, should I do more example of this, or this one you understand clear?
I understand it.
So now they're going to ask you like this. Let me show you now the tricky question how they can ask. For the most case, they're not going to ask you like that because this is way easy. Let me tell you how they're going to trick you. They're going to give you a tricky question. if the area of a square, if the area of a square, if the area of a square is 81 centimeters square, find the side. Find the side. Okay, so you see there now, what they did, they give you the area. You understand, Tamika? Now they say find the side. So this is how you're going to be doing it. Before we go to that question, let me show you something very, very crucial about algebra, which I've not shown you. Tamika, look, right? If you have an x squared equal to 4, you see here there's an equal.
Yes.
Wait, if you come blood a little bit, they say find the value of x. So you see, this is not 2x. If it's 2x equal to 4, you know it's easy. Because what I'll do, I'll divide by 2, and I'll divide by 2. And then I'll say x equal to 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. But this is x squared. Okay, so it's also algebra. So this is what you're going to do. Okay? If you want to get rid of this power, you see, because your intention is to get x, how are you going to get rid of the power? To get rid of the power, you must square root. You're going to write this thing here, but on both sides. Okay? And this side. Okay?
Yes.
But this number and this gonna cancel with that. And then you're gonna be left with x and then square root of 4. When you say square root of 4, means you ask yourself which number when you multiply by itself will get 4.
2.
Eh?
2.
So the answer equals 2. Can you move close to your microphone? Because you say it very, very far, either to your phone, I don't know, your microphone, but you're very, very far today. Okay. Somebody give you y square equal to 36. So if you want to get rid of this power, we have to square root. I'm going to square root on both sides. So what you do, you look at this power, okay? And then I'm going to square root this one. So this and this is going to cancel. So y equal to, which number when I multiply itself, I get 36?
6.
So the answer equals 6. Okay, now what about this one? K square. Okay, let me write something here. 2k square, no, before we go there. K square equal to 25. Tell me how we're going to do this.
We're gonna write the square root on the left and the right side.
Both sides of equal sign, okay? This and this is going to cancel, so okay, equal to 5. Do you understand?
Yes.
Let me ask you that you can do with me. Y square equal to 144. How are you going to do this?
Y square, we're going to draw the square roots
Okay.
over y2 and 144.
And 144. And then?
And then the 2 and the square root cancels out.
Yeah. And the root is going to cancel. We left with
and then we're gonna write y equals to 12.
12. Very good. Because 144 when you square root is going to be 12. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So not all the time they're going to give like that. Let me show you now. We're going to come back here, right, in the equation. I want to explain to you this one. So sometimes they're going to give stuff like this. This is also part of the algebra, right? And it's very, very important. Okay. Let's say they're going to give stuff like this. 2x equal to 50. 2x squared equal to 50. Okay? So
Yes.
do not square root before you get rid of this number here. So first you must get rid of number 2. Are you with me, Tamika, right? Before you say, oh, I see square root, let me square root. No, don't do that. First I must get rid of this number before the x squared. Okay? Yes. So I'm going to say, are you with me, Tamika?
I'm with you.
So how I'm gonna get rid of this 2? I have to look what is the sign in between? Multiplication.
Patient.
So I must divide by what?
By 2.
By this number 2, and here I'm gonna divide by 2.
2.
So this and this is gonna cancel. So I'll be left with it. X what? X square equal to 50 divided by 2 equal to 20.
25.
25. And then from here now, I know what to do. What I'm gonna do here, I'll say, well, I see my square there. So if I see my square, and then I must what? Square root. I'm gonna square root both sides. This and this cancel. So my x equal to square root of 25 equal to
5.
Let's take more example. Now somebody give us, let's say, 17 equal negative 81 plus y squared. So first and foremost, I'm not going to square before this one go. Does it make sense?
Yes, it makes sense.
Means I must remove this. This must be a lone phase. It should not be with any number. So what I'm going to do is say, u negative 11, where is it going to go?
It's going to divide.
Really? Are we going to divide by negative 11?
No.
Because you only divide
We're going to, if there's no sign, so we're going to add.
Yes, you don't divide if it's plus or minus, okay? You
Yes.
only divide like
There's
this
no-
where there's multiplication here, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'll take negative 11 over,
Negative
okay?
11? Yes.
It's gonna go over because if there's a plus or minus, then you don't divide. Only if there's a multiplication between like this case. So I'm gonna take negative 11, go over here. So I'm gonna write my 70. If negative 11 go over, how is it gonna become?
It's going to become a positive.
It was negative. When it jump over, it's going to become positive 11. And then on the left, what I'm going to be left with?
We're going to be left with positive y to the power of 2.
Yeah, it means y squared. You can simply say what? Y squared. Okay? 70 plus 11, 80. 1 equal to y squared. Now tell me, what is the next step here?
Now we're going to square root it.
Yes, we're going to have to square root, and then we're going to square root. And then this and this cancel. So y equal to, what is the square root of 81?
9.
But do you understand what I'm saying, right? So they're not going to give you straightforward. They're going to want to confuse intentional to see, okay, do you remember all the concepts and how can you mix them up together? Okay, Tamika?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So should I raise it?
Yes, you can erase.
Okay, I'm going to do more of these algebra example, and then after we go back to our square question because, yeah, this was very, very important. Okay, let's assume, Tamika, right? Somebody give you, okay. Okay, for the one, negative 9, x squared. Now, just look at, let me ask you, can you square root here? Or what the face step would you do?
Excuse me?
Okay, move close to your microphone or to your phone.
I'm close to it.
Yes. What the face step would you do? Because if you look, there's a square. My question, can you go straight away to square? Straight,
No.
straight. What would you do first?
We're going to have to get rid of the 2.
So you say I'm going to get rid of the 2.
Yes.
How?
We are
Does it
going
make
to,
sense? You're going to get rid of the 2 first. Oh, what exactly would you get rid of? I want to see you thinking.
the negative 9.
Yes. because you cannot get rid of the 2 if there is something else here. I must get rid of negative 9
9.
first. So
Yes.
how am I going to get rid of negative 9?
We are gonna take it to the other side.
Yes, because this is a number, it must go to the number. So here I'm going to write my equal sign the way how it is. And here I have my
41.
41. And then what happens to negative 9?
It's gonna go over and become a positive 9.
It's going to become positive 9. And what I'm going to be left with on the left?
Then you are going to be left with 2x squared.
2x squared. And then 41 plus 9 equal to 15
50.
equal to 2x squared. And then what is the next step here?
The next step is get rid of the 2.
Get rid of the 2. I see you got very good, very good. I'm so proud of you. We're going to divide by you, 2, I apologize, 2. 2 and 2 cancel. And then x squared equal to?
That would be 25.
25. And then what's the next step?
The next step would be
X squared equal 25. Come on. X squared equal 25. Really? X squared equal 25. How we do this? Jamaica?
I can't remember. Can you please remind me?
So the issue want to get rid of this square, right? How are you going to get rid of this square?
Oh, we're going to do the square root.
The square root.
Yes.
So you see how they did, right? They start to confuse you from the top so you can forget the square root.
Yes.
So right here, I'm going to square root, and then I'm going to square root. So my x equal to, what is it? Which number multiplied by itself to get 25? That number is going to be?
5.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
So this also is the part of the algebra, but I'm going to do more example. But because today this has nothing to do what we do, but there's something which is going to come up and then we're going to use this concept. That's why I thought like, okay, let me bring it up. Okay. So I want to raise this. Should I?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go to the question now. To this area question. Okay, let me do something. One more algebra. There's something I want to show you.
Okay.
So sometimes somebody, So sometimes somebody gonna give stuff like this. Look, x cubed equal to 8. So this is cube now, it's not square. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cube root, not square root. It's gonna be what?
Cube
root. We're gonna put 3 here. 3, and then also we're gonna put up 3. Because this is 3. So this and this is gonna cancel. We say x equal to. Now, which number multiplied by itself, multiply again by itself will get 8?
2.
Eh?
2.
Because 2 times 2, 4 times 2 equal to 8. Our number equal to 2. Let me take more example. X cubed
3.
equal to 54. So what is the issue here? The first issue. The first issue, you have to get rid of the
2.
2. So we're going to have to divide by 2 and then divide by 2. This in this concept. So we say x cubed. Excuse me. How many 2 in 54? 27. 54 divided by 2. And then what we're going to do from there, Tom?
And then from there, we are going to do this
Cube root.
root.
Cube root. So we're going to cube root to write 3 here. Look, I'm going to write my
3.
3. And now I'll write my
3.
3. These and these cancel. So
Cancel.
we have x equal to. Which number is that?
3.
Number multiplied by 12 multiplied by 3. 3, yes, because 3 times 3 equal to 9, 9 times 3 equal to 7. So number equal to 3. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
One more. Just this is going to be the last one. If you get this one, say yes. How are you going to do this?
We are going to. I don't know if we square or cube.
So, but this is not cube now. It's fourth root. You call it fourth root. Fourth root.
So we're going to draw that thing.
Okay. And then which number I'm going to write here?
We're going to write 4.
4. And on the left, also going to write what? 4. Using this concept, so x equal to, so which number multiplied by 7, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 7 equals 16?
4.
Really? Let's start. 4
No,
times 4 times, no, it's not true. So which number is there?
let me just work it out.
Okay, no problem. I'm just waiting for you. I'm going to drink water here in just a minute while you work around.
That's 2.
Eh? Which number is that?
2.
2. Very good. So number equal to 2. So I think you understand the concept of the roots, right? How the root works. Once you have a power, for you to get rid of the power, you must put the root. But it depends which type of root. Is it cubic, fourth root, or square root? Based on that, which type of power is that? I'm gonna erase. That's correct? Is okay?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna erase this. Then after, now let's go back to our question. You're gonna see how easy it is. So you say today you did algebra was not hard.
Yes, it was very easy.
Huh?
It was very easy.
I can hear you.
It was very easy.
Okay. I'm impressed. Yeah. I think we should just continue learning things in advance. Okay. Now, Samik, they say the area of a square is 81. Okay, so they give us the area. And they say find this side. So I'm gonna draw my, because they say this is a square. I'm gonna draw my square here. And then I'm gonna say what area? Because they say the area. Area for square, what the formula say? Side what? Side square. But what data we have? Now you come here. Do I have an area?
No.
Did you read the question careful? Read
Oh
the
yes,
question.
we do. We do. We do.
We do have an area. So since you have an area now, I'm going to replace this area with what I have, which is 81 centimeter. Look, 81 what? Centimeter. What? Square, sorry.
Square.
Centimeter square. You understand what I'm saying? And then equal, side, do I have side?
No.
No. So I'm going to say what? Side what? Square.
Square.
So this same say I'm looking for the side square. It's like somebody give you x squared equal 25. Do you understand what I'm saying? Can you see?
Yes.
So how you get this? You square it and you square it. So same here. If I want to get side square, what I want to do? If I want to get side, I must square it and then I must what I must? Square it. Are you with me, Tamika?
Yes, I'm with you.
Side and side cancel and give us side equal. Which number when I square root 81? Square root of 81, which number is that?
9.
9. Okay?
Yes.
Amazing. For square 81 is going to give us out 9. It's getting blotted a little or it's back. Okay. It's going to give us all 9. And when you square a centimeter square, it's going to give us 1
centimeter square.
So side equal to centimeter. Find the side. Our side
is 9 centimeter.
Okay. More example. So you know why it became easy? Because I've shown you the concept of algebra. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to do more example. The area of a square is 196 centimeter square. Let's say this meter square. Find the area, find the side of that square, find the side. Okay, so now we're going to say, so this is like our square. Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
So we're going to say now area equal to side what?
Square.
Square. What do we have here?
We have the area.
We have, they say, the area of a square. Oh, so in the position of area, I'm going to say 196 what? Meter. Oh, sorry. Meter square equal to side square.
Side
So
square.
how I'm going to get the side here?
We are
I'm
going
going to
to
square root. So I'm going to square root the right and I'm going to square root the left. This square go with it. And what is the square root of 196? Which number multiplied by itself equal to 196? 14. 14 times 14 equal to 196. So this will be what? 14. What? Meter. And then this and this is going to cancel. So a side equal to 14 meters. So I can simply say, oh, well, the side of the square equal to 14 what? Meter. Should I say again?
No.
Okay, let me give you one if you got it, and then I'll be done with the square, and then we go for rectangle.
Volume. Oh.
Yeah, we go for rectangle area, and then we're gonna go for volume for every one of them. Okay. If the area of a square is 64 millimeter, find the side of a square. Find its side. Okay, now talk to me.
The area, we're going to write down the area which
Okay, so I'm gonna draw my little square here, not mass, but it's also very, very important. Okay, and then right side, they're equal everywhere. We don't know side. And then I'm gonna say I'm gonna write my formula. How the formula say? Area equals
to side square.
Side square. And then sorry. This is supposed to be here because they say area. This must be millimeter square. I'm sorry.
And then we are going to use the square because we have the square. We don't have the side. We are going to say 64.
We have the what?
We have the area and not the
side.
The side.
So we have the area in the position of A, we go, because they say the area of a square is. So in the position of A, we have the area, which equal to 64 millimeter square. You write it down. Millimeter square equal to side. Do we have a side? No. Square. Next step.
Then we are going to we're going to square root.
Okay, we're gonna square root, and here we're gonna square root. And this and this cancel, so square equal, and then this and this cancel. So which number?
8.
8. And then unit, which unit?
Millimeter square.
Millimeter on its own, sorry. Go with it. Just a milli Do you understand?
Yes, and then the side will be 8 millimeters.
Okay. Now let's check. Let's check the perimeter now. Because of checking the area, let's check the perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter meaning? Look, perimeter is like, let's say here, when somebody says find the perimeter, is like walk, or you walk the length, you add them together, okay? For example, let's say somebody give you this one, perimeter now, of a square. Find the perimeter. You know what the perimeter means? Let me explain to you. Right? Perimeter meaning walk all the distance from where you start until the end and then add them together. And that's a perimeter. Okay.
Yes.
Tamika, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Can you hear me?
Yeah, because I couldn't hear your face. So now we say perimeter is easy because if this is 4 here, here is going to be 4 because this is square, 4, 4, 4. So for perimeter, we're going to say is say this side plus, because for perimeter it's like, look, perimeter means if I start here, I'm going to walk 4, 4, 4, 4, and then you add them together. Finish. Okay? So we don't do like how we did for area. Meaning, perimeter of a square, meaning it's going to be what? For example, like here, somebody find the perimeter of a square, I'm going to say 4 centimeter plus what? 4 plus what? 4 plus the last one. You understand, Tamika? Tamika, are you there? Because I feel like you're not there.
I am here.
Okay. So then you're going to say 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4 equals 16. So perimeter equal to 16. But remember, these are length. So you don't say square, you just say 16 centimeters. So this is our perimeter. Okay. So the formula meaning, if you want to create a formula, say perimeter of a square equal to side plus what? Another side plus another side plus the last side. So perimeter, if you want to write the one formula, you say is a 4 side. Perimeter equal to 4 side. So you must differentiate perimeter and the area of a square. Okay?
Yes.
Perimeter of 4 side. Can I erase?
Yes, you can erase.
Okay. So perimeter equal to 4 side. That's all you need to know. So you need to read carefully if it's perimeter or the area which they have asked you. So perimeter of a square, we say, equal to 4 times side. Means 4 side. Side. Means it's 4 of the side, okay? 4 of them. But for area, we say it's a side square. Example. Find the perimeter of a square of side of 12 centimeters. So let's say find the perimeter, but the perimeter of a square, but that square have a side of 12 centimeters. So say, well, so it's the same as say this. but the side is 12. So I'm going to say perimeter equal to, how the formula perimeter say? 4 times side. Now come here. Do I have a perimeter? No. If I read carefully, they say the perimeter of a square of a side. No, I'm wrong. Yeah. Find the perimeter. Means we don't have a perimeter. Of a square of a side of 12. Means we have a side of 12. So I'm going to say perimeter, I don't know. Since they say find the perimeter. 4, just a 4. Do I have my side? Yes. Multiply. When you put bracket, it means multiply. You can write a bracket. It's the same as say multiply. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to say 4 times, what is my side? 12 centimeters.
12.
So this equal to 4 times 12 equal to 40, to 8 centimeters. It's my perimeter, okay? I'm going to raise it for more example, correct? Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool. Find the perimeter of a square of a side of, let's say, 20 meter. So I'm going to say, well, I can say if this is a perimeter, means each side is 20 meters. And they say find the perimeter. So I know my perimeter of a square equal to 4 times side. So what do I have? Find the perimeter means I don't know P. So I'm going to say P equal to 4, just a 4 times side. What is my side? My side equal to 20. So in the position of side, I'll put my 20 meter. Now I go 4 times 20 equal to 8. But a what? Meter. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, I'm going to give one question and then we can try together. Okay, find the perimeter of side of 15 centimeters. So talk to me how we're going to do it.
We are going to write down the perimeter and the side.
Oh, find the perimeter of the side of the square. Find the perimeter of a square of a square of side. Okay, talk to me. How are we going to say it?
We're going to draw the square.
Draw the square. And then
we are going to write down the perimeter, which we don't have.
so this is 15 centimeters because they say each side is 15, means 15, 15. But I don't have to write all of them because perimeter, since it's a square, I mean the side I. Okay, now how are we going to say here formula?
Then we're going to write down the perimeter.
Equal to?
And then we're going to write our side, which is 15 centimeters.
Formula first. Perimeter equal to?
Side square.
Really? Perimeter of side square?
No.
What is the formula? Okay.
Can you please remind me?
Let's try first. What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter equal to what? I can help you, but I want to see how we can try first.
Oh, you add the all the sides together.
Okay.
So it will be 4.
4.
4 sides.
4 side. Very good. Okay.
Yeah,
That's how.
yes.
Now let's go now. And then we say
P perimeter.
Why you say P? Don't you have a P?
No, we don't.
We don't, because they say find the perimeter, means we don't have a perimeter. Perimeter equal to
15 plus 15.
you follow this formula here. 4
4
and
in
then
brackets 15
right.
centimeters.
There it is. You're not wrong what you did, but this is more easiest and professional way. 15 what? Centimeters. So you say perimeter equal
60.
perimeter equal to, and then
we say 15. 15. We can say 4 times 15.
Yes. 4 times 15 equal to what?
60.
60. So we'll write 60 and unit
Centimeters.
centimeter. Easy. Okay. Now let me ask you this. Find the perimeter here.
Okay. So you're gonna write down P.
Okay. P.
And then we're gonna write equals 4S.
Good point. Because this is a perimeter. Okay. Very good.
And then we're going to write P again because we need to start.
Because we don't have the perimeter. Perimeter equal to.
And then we're going to write 4. And then
4.
bracket 7 meters.
Bracket 4 meters. So perimeter equal to 4 times 7 equal to 20. 8 meters. It is hard.
No.
Okay, so you need to remember the formula. So now I'm going to give example whereby
Okay.
they give a perimeter and then they ask you to find the side, like how we did for area, okay?
Okay.
Sorry. So how does it feel when they do the stuff that you know? How does it feel?
Excuse me?
I say, how does it feel when at school they do the stuff that you know?
Feels nice.
You feel good, right?
Yes.
You feel like, I know this one. I know this one. So that's why you have to go ahead every time, okay? So whatever they're going to be doing, we know it, okay? Or you know. And if they touch anything that you have not shown you, you let me know quick, and then I cover quickly, and then you be ahead of everyone, okay?
Okay.
Cool. And then you stick to your method, right? Don't get them confused, okay? As long as you know how to do it, it's okay. You got the marks, okay?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. And if you know something, you can always raise your hand and try to answer. Don't afraid of anyone, okay? You understand, Tamika?
Yes, I understand.
Don't afraid of anyone. If they say, hey, who knows? You say, I know. And you try. Okay, cool. We're ready to go. So now look, they're gonna give stuff like this. They're gonna say, if the perimeter now, if the perimeter of a square uh, is 48 centimeter. Find the side. So you must read your question careful, right? They say if the perimeter. This is not square, right? If the perimeter. Well, I know how to do this. So I'm going to write my of a square. So this is square. So side we don't know. So we say find the side. But let's say the perimeter equal to 48. So since they mentioned the perimeter, see they say the perimeter. So the formula I'm going to write is the formula for perimeter. If they mention the area, and the formula I'm going to write is the formula for area. Are you with me, Tamika?
Yes, I'm with you.
So I'm going to write my formula for perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square, what's the formula?
The formula is 4s.
4s. But what do I have if the perimeter of a square is 48?
You have the perimeter.
We have the perimeter. So in a position of perimeter, I'm not going to write the P.
You're going to write 48 centimeters.
48 centimeters. Equal to 4 times
side.
What am I looking for?
You are looking for the side.
Side. So I'm going to get side here alone.
Excuse me?
I'm going to get S alone.
For that,
let me ask. I know you know, but I'm just because I want to say, if you give 20 equal to 4x, how are you going to get x?
If we have 20
equal to 4x.
4x.
Yes.
We're going to do square root.
Really? 20 equal to 4x?
No, we.
Look at the expression careful, right? Don't just say 20 equal to 4x. How you get there?
20.
This is a basic algebra. 4x. Okay, let me ask you this. What about 4x equal to 20?
Do we take the 4 over?
How?
Or I don't know. Wait.
Come on now. 4x equal to 20. How are we going to solve this, Tamika? You know how to solve it. No, come on.
Divide. No.
Yes. Because you look at the sign in between here, Tamika, the same thing. So here there's so we're going to divide by 4 and then divide by 4. X equal to 5. So here, how are we going to do the same thing? How are you going to get your x here?
We're going to divide
by
4.
By 4 and divide by 4. This is this constant, so your x equal to 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. X 5. You can switch and they say x to 5. So how are you going to get here for x equal to 48?
You are going to divide 4
5
from 48.
Divide by 4 and here divide by 4. This and this constant. So x equal to 48 divided by 4.
48.
Let me show you this way. How many 4 in 4?
1.
Right, 1. So this and this constant. How many 4 in 8?
2.
2. The answer equal to 12.
12
centimeter.
12 centimeter equals?
Yes. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Any question? What you want to ask me? I hear you want to ask me.
I forgot my question.
Huh?
I forgot my question. So the side would be 12 centimeters.
12 centimeter. Side equal, or you can, and then when you finish, you can switch. Doesn't make a side, in there you can switch side equal to 12 centimeter.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now I understand.
Yes. Okay, let's take more example. Now, tell me what to do now. Tamika?
I'm here.
Okay, tell me now what to do. Read the
So
question
now
carefully. Explain to me in detail.
first, okay, so we're going to draw
Okay, we're going to draw. What we're going to draw?
square.
Huh?
The square.
The square. How did you know that we have to draw a square?
Because it says square in the question.
Square. Very good. And then?
And then we are going to write down the parameter.
I can hear. Can you speak loudly? Remember, it has to be very, very clear.
We're going to write down the parameter.
Why are you going to write the perimeter, not area? Why not area?
Because we're not looking for the area, we are looking for the side, and we are busy with perimeter.
Thank you. So perimeter equal to the formula. How the formula say?
And then we are going to write 4 base,
Oh.
4 side.
4 side. And then?
And then we are going to go to the next step, which will be 144 centimeters.
How do you know 144 centimeters and where I'm going to write it?
Because in the question it says that the perimeter of a square is 144 centimeters.
Okay, so where we're going to write it? Here. We're going to replace the P.
We're going to replace the P with 144.
And then?
And then we are going to write equal for
equal 4 side. And then?
Yes. And then after that, we are going to divide.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to say 4s divided by 4. And then after that, we are going to say 144 centimeters divided by 4.
So now we come here. 144 divided by 4. We say, how many 4 into 14? How many 4?
4, 8, 12, 3.
So we're going to cancel this in there. 3. How many of them there? 3, 4. But which is 12. And what I'm going to be left with?
We are going to be left with 2.
So I'm going to write here 2. So what I have here, I have a 24.
24.
How many 4 in 24?
6.
6. So equal to 36. Which unit? Centimeter.
Centimeters.
You know this method? You don't know,
yes,
right?
I know.
Oh, you know it?
No, I don't know that method. I know another method.
Oh, you know now. So I'm going to show you, right? Next time, remind me to show you a short division method, okay? Remind me, okay?
Okay.
Right aside so you know I can show you. Short division method. Now, Tamika.
Yes.
What is your opinion? You learn something?
Yes, I learned something.
Really?
Yes.
If you're not, you let me know. Okay, I'm here to make sure that you understand everything. And if you don't, you let me know. Hamish is here to make sure you understand everything. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I can hear you. Tamika, your microphone is very, very far from me.
Sorry,
Can you hear me?
I'll say yes, I can hear you.
Okay. And let me ask you something. Do you also do science?
Yes, I do.
Physics, science. If you have any questions, those on you let me know, okay? I can always help you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And do you do also computer science, or you don't?
Not yet.
Okay. Also, if you have a problem in those areas, also you can let me know. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Anything you want to say before we call it night?
No, there's nothing.
Huh?
There's nothing.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna push, okay? But so you know what you need to do, right?
Yes, what do I
Okay,
need
I
to
need to
do?
send you a link right now, the link. Because I know you can watch it, but I want to send you the link where you can access anytime.
Okay.
Because I take this every class we do and then I put on my YouTube channel. Okay, where you can watch anytime. The class and you have it, okay?
Yes.
No problem. So anything you want to ask me before I say goodbye? Good night?
Nope, there's nothing.
Eh?
There's nothing.
Nothing for now.
Yes, nothing.
Did you learn?
Yes, I did.
No problem. So good night, Tamika. Keep in touch with me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye then.
Bye.
Bye.